Hey guys, so today let's talk about customers' feedback. My name is Udwa Kodingiri. I'm the founder of Food, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please click, just do like say you want, click it and subscribe. Let's talk about customers' feedback. How do we take customers' feedback? Sincerely, when I started Food, when I see feedback, I dey fear. I dey fear. Some customers are not just like they'll bash you, but along the line, I realized that it was part of what will help me build a good business. So I started seeing it in the positive side. You don't know some customers will just come and it will not be like that today. They'll just talk and but then I've learned to know the positive feedbacks. So when I mean positive, that's the customer gives you a negative feedback, but you see it as a positive one because you use it to correct your process, use it to correct different. It even helps you build SOPs. That's the truth. So like when we started our soup bundles, we were like customer will say, "Oh, I've gotten my this thing, the bundle. There was no periwinkle, there was not this, there was not that." But this bundle is better packaging should have known. Then we realized that SOP was missing. So I now put together SOP. Oh, for our fan soup bundle, this is the gram, this is the quantity of the meat, this is it, this is how it follows. So it now stands as a guide, right? So I want you to see customers' feedback in that perspective. So when a customer gives you feedback, look at it. Okay, what did she say? Is this thing true? How can I correct it? How can I make it better? How can I serve this customer better? Okay, so don't see customer feedback like one big slap, bagan, this one has finished me, bagan. Okay, so just when they give you the feedback, take it, assess it. Don't be scared. Don't be scared of it. Honestly, I used to be very scared, but now I just open the message with my full chest and I say, okay, how do we correct this? How do we make it up to the customer? So today I want to encourage you, don't see customers' feedback like something that would discourage. Some people get very, you do see that some customer feedback don't make some people to stop their business. That is the truth. I've heard people say, "Oh, Doc, I beg, the customer complaint was too much. I beg, I just shut it down. I no fit." Okay, so it happens. But again, I want you to look at it and ask yourself, okay, how can I do it better? I remember when we started the restaurant, and today it was one complaint. Oh, today the food is sweet, tomorrow the food is not sweet. So we analyzed it. Okay, how can we do it better? We realized, okay, maybe we need to put a step-by-step process on how to cook a particular soup, right? But we again realized that some of them were not following it because some people just came with their own. Now this is how we do it. This is how I've been doing it. At the point I told myself, I said this restaurant cannot work because I definitely wasn't going to be there to cook and do all those things. So I shut it down. So sometimes it gets to that point. I decided to shut down the restaurant because I wanted to focus on my core, which was my strength. I knew the in and out. Me, I don't like cooking.